Welcome. This episode, we will be building part 6-16, the correcting link for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Build it with 4 parts. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to be building part 6-16, the correcting link for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go to File, New, Part MMGS. Now, this part is Class 1 part, but it's made of 4 pieces. So we're going to build them individually. All right, let's go to right plane sketch. We're going to do a circle, going to do one circle there, do a second circle there, do another circle there, and another one there. Let's go to smart dimension. This outside one is going to be 9.5 radius, so 9.5 multiplied by, by 2, so it's 19, because the radius, because it's going to be cut off here, that's why it's showing radius. The inner one will be 8. This hole here will be 9. And this one will be, actually it's two circles. Let me put another circle. There we go. It's going to be 12 and 6. So that's going to be 12. And that's going to be 6. Now we want from, let me go this point to this point, the 2 inner circles will be 39. Yep, that's right, I can do that. Let me move that one there. Oh, before I forget, center will be horizontal. There we go. Now we want that inner circle to that inner circle will be 25. There we go, perfect. Now we will align. Do one, there we go, delete that one. That horizontal, perfect. Now we want that line and this circle is going to be tangent. But this circle, this line will be, oh, did I do that wrong? Nope. Take that back. Let me just go fully out. This line, this circle will be, there we go, that's what I want. Tangent, sorry. Not join the dot, my bad. This point here, this line here, the circle will be then joined. So let me pull that one out. So this circle, this line will be tangent. This circle, this point and this circle will be joined. We're going to go to trim U. That line and that line, trim that line, perfect, and this one there we go. So then we got fully defined, perfect. Actually, I think that's all we need. Yes, it is. Yeah, actually we're done. Not done piece, just done this section. So we mid plane. Gonna be extruding. It's gonna be 16 plus 6, 22. Yep. You see what I got those measurements in a minute. Okay, so that's that part done for now. That looks good. Yep. So now we want to go to normal 2 top view and sketch that one. Let's do a rectangle. start on the alley. Actually, start there to there. Okay, so this is where this comes in. We got. Oh, hold on. What? Oh, I see that sketch, didn't I? There we go. Sketch. I press X instead of measurement. Okay, this measurement here will be 6. That's the 6 over 4. From this point to that point will be 8, and this point and this point should be 8 as well. It is. That's where I got the 8 from. I didn't need to put that one there, but I just kept it in there. That's the 2 8's got 4, 16 plus the 6. That's where I got the width from. Now we want, yes, measurement. So that one and that one will be. There we go. Now the length of that is 26. 26. We're going to go feature, extrude cut, through all, and okay, so that's one done. Now we're going to do the same one up here. Now, because that's curved, I'm going to do, not that one, top plane, sketch, rectangle again. That's going to be 26 as well. Let's join these two together, so make sedent. Now this is going to be 9 mil. 9 mil. This part and that part there will be 6.5, and this one should be 6.5 as well. Yes, perfect. Now with this one, let's scroll. Thank you. Feature, extrude, sorry, not extrude. Extrude cut, not extrude. Boss. Now we want to go through all. Direction 2, because we're halfway through, we ain't got to come one side. So direction 2, come on. Thank you. Through all, perfect. And there we go. Excellent. So let's go to. Oh, thank you. There we go. It looks weird that way. This is weird. That's fine. Okay, so that's actually that piece of this section done. We're going to change that to, this is not brass. We've got stones, we've got 3. We've got rod there, and a tube here. This rod and this rod staying still, and this is brass, the tube. But this one here is not brass, it's BMS. Gotta look up what BMS one day. Keep forgetting about that. Let's go to metal. Let's go to. Still iron. Oh. Nah, it's all black. I don't want black. This is to brush magnesium for now. Not the correct material, but the colour's more for show at the moment. Okay, so that's done. So I've saved that as correcting link main. Now let's open up new one, new part MMGS. And that's going to be saved as 6-16. I'm going to call that pin 6 mm. So we want the right side, sketch, circle, and oops, sorry, measurement. Always helps with the measurement. And that was 6, I said, yep, 6. Extrude, that's going to be 22 wide. Do mid plane, 22. And okay, there we go. And that was stainless steel, so let's change that one to stainless steel. Go file new. It's going to be part MMGS. Let me save 6-16. That one there, but it's going to be 8mm this time. Nope, sorry. Yes, 8mm. That's what 9mm to do with the other one. 8mm. Now I could actually just resave the other one, but that's fine. Just resave the other one, new file, and just change that one measurement. Could have done that way. But practice makes perfect. It's my excuse. 8mm. Extrude. Mid 22. Okay. Put that one on. And save. New. Part MMGS. Save. 6-16. Oh. 16. Grab that one. And that's going to be middle hole. Cylinder. That's what I was after. Okay, so go right, sketch, circle, 1, 2. Come on. Thank you. It's going to be what? That was 9 and 6. So that one's 9. And that one's 6. Extrude. It's going to be 22 as well. Mid plane and okay. All right, let's do a new assembly. We're going to do the main part. Now we've got spec. If we put this little pin mark there, that will keep that one open. Right, that's a 6mm one, which goes down this end. 8mm, which goes that end. And the middle one, which goes in. Let's turn that one off and close that one. Okay, so now we want to go mate. Circle the outer cylinder, inner cylinder. The edge and edge. Outer cylinder, inner cylinder. Two edges. Outer cylinder, sorry, inner cylinder, outer cylinder. And the 2 edge. And look at that, it's nice and smooth. There we go, that's a good angle. Oh, there we go. So I'm going to save that under assemblies. I'm going to save that as 6-16. Oh, dash 16. Correcting link. That is part 6-16. The correcting link done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. That's a nice simple piece. There's actually going to be 2 of these pieces on the assembly eventually when we get to assembling it. So thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Thank you for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.